Hey guys, so we are jumping right in. Right now, I'm starting out with my Camille Rose leave-in detangler, and I'm just applying that all over my hair. And I really like this because it definitely gives your hair a lot of slip. It makes it so much easier to detangle. Now, I know it looks like I might be combing pretty roughly, but I'm not. It just looks a little aggressive because it's sped up, but I am making sure to be gentle. I'm starting at the bottom and then working my way up. I'm just using a wide tooth comb, nothing special. So like I said, I'm not being aggressive at all. I'm not pulling and tugging. It just might look like it because it's sped up, but I am making sure to be very gentle because I don't want to pull out any hair. So now I'm just dividing my hair into 4 sections, and it makes it so much easier when it comes time to apply the product. I definitely could have done this as I was detangling, but just an extra step that you don't have to do. So here I'm using this Aunt Jackie's Frizz Control Mousse. So I only use it on this section because once I put it on my hair, I realized that I did not like it. It's very alcohol based and it felt like it dried my hair out. So now I'm just going in with the Main Choice styling cream. And as I'm applying the styling cream, I'm also doing a little bit of finger detangling as well and really going in to make sure that those curls get defined. And now I'm using the Aunt Jackie's Ice Curls Gel to bring even more definition to those curls and to really seal in that moisture as well. I'm focusing the majority of the product on the bottom of my hair. That way those ends are super coiled. So I'm just gonna go in and do the same thing for the rest of my hair, but I'm skipping that mousse. Because like I said, I just really didn't like the mousse. It just felt very drying, and my hair is already super dry, so I don't need anything that's gonna exacerbate that. So once again, I'm just finger detangling as I'm applying that cream, and then I'm going in with the gel as well, really focusing it on the ends so that my ends are curly and not super frizzy. Here I'm just applying a hair oil. I didn't show it on camera because this is a homemade hair oil that my mom makes and I love it so much. But I'm applying it to my scalp, and then I'm also applying a little bit on my hair as well. And I do make sure to massage it in my scalp. So here I'm just showing the difference between my hair texture with no product on it, just a detangler, and then the texture in the back that has that styling cream in the gel as well. So I believe I have type 4B hair. I'm not 100% sure. I used to think it was 4C, but I learned recently that because it coils as much as it does, it's not 4C. So I'm pretty sure it's 4B. But I've been natural for 9 years now, so since 2011. And believe it or not, this is actually like my first time really doing a true wash and go. So when I initially recorded this video, my plan was to come back later that evening and show my hair once it had air dried. But I didn't end up recording again until 2 days later because life happened. So what I did was I let my hair air dry, and then when it was time for me to go to bed, I separated my hair into 4 sections again, and I used scrunchies to do the banding method to stretch my hair out. So when I come back, you're gonna see what my hair looks like after doing that banding method. And I have no idea what happened to that footage, because I did come back on camera to show me taking my hair out of those rubber bandings, and then I did mist it with some water to rehydrate it, and then I fluffed it out a little bit. But I really have no idea what happened to that footage. For a long time, and even still a little bit now, I never really liked my curls defined because I always felt like it just looked like a Jerry curl or something, just not cute. So trying to embrace my natural curls. I'm just taking some edge control, slick down these edges. I also forgot to show which products I use to wash my hair. So I washed it with the Mane Choice Type 4-Leaf Clover Moisturizing Shampoo. It does go with the same Mane Choice styling cream that I use. And then to condition my hair, I use the Camille Rose Coconut Water Deep Conditioner, and I left that in my hair for about 30 minutes and then rinsed it out. Okay, so here I'm just fluffing out my hair, getting it to a shape that I like. And I'm also taking a pick to fluff out my roots and just make my fro look a little more voluminous. So my curls in the front, they aren't as tightly coiled as the ones in the rest of my hair. It's not heat damage. These curls are just looser. I know it's not heat damage because I don't put heat on my hair. At most, I might lightly blow dry my hair before I get it braided, but I really don't put a lot of heat on my hair. I couldn't even tell you the last time I straightened it. That's just, my curls are just looser in the front. Okay, y'all, I'm back. So I have filmed a whole different ending to that video, but then I went back and looked at it and it just was not cute at all. And as you can see now, I went on and started filming a whole nother video, but I wanted to make sure that I finished this one out right. So what I ended up doing was the hair in the front, I just couldn't get it to look right. So what I ended up doing was just rolling it a little bit like this. And then I took a bobby pin and just pinned it back like that. And this is the final style. So it has had time to sit a little bit, and I know with myself, I'm not sure if this happens for other people as well, but the longer my hair is just free in the air, the puffier it gets. And I like that kind of lived in look. Like I like my hair better like later versus when it's freshly done, if that makes any sense. I don't know. So this is the final look. I want to say this is like my first successful wash and go, although you literally don't go after you wash it. It's a lot of steps in between. But I really like the way that this turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope y'all staying safe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit subscribe, especially if you made it this far in the video. Why not? I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.